Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel Simple Dhammaka. How about cooking something yummy for the tummy?
Then let's get started. So today we are making non-fried baby corn satay. So let's boil some water initially and add some salt to it. And I'm adding some baby corns to it. I'm not mentioning the quantity here because it is left to you how much you're doing. Once the baby corn starts boiling, let's get the marination mixture ready here. For the marination mixture, I'm taking half a cup of curd, adding all the masalas to it, that is half a teaspoon of turmeric, chili powder, then jeera powder, and for the chapata taste, I'm gonna add some chaat masala to it. Adding all these, chaat masala will have a little salt in it, so be careful. And we have boiled baby corn also with some salt. Mix the mixture very well and drop in all the boiled baby corns to it. Mix this with the marination mixture and let it marinate for some 30 minutes. Now let's grease a pan, which is my microwavable pan, and drop in all these marinated baby corns into it. Okay, then I'm going to grill it in my microwave for 15 minutes. I've shown you here how to use the grill mode in microwave. Then in the meanwhile, I'm preparing the gravy, peanut gravy. So roasting some peanuts, handful of peanuts. Then if you want, you can peel off, the peels of the peanut. And with peanut, I'm adding an onion, garlic, and chopping them with this chopper, which will give me a roughly chopped ones, and adding this mixture to some oil, this pulsed mixture. Can you see how I have pulsed the mixture here? Adding some turmeric into it, and again the same masalas like turmeric, chili powder, and basically again sauteing it and making it ready for the gravy. I've added some amchur powder for the taste and some 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce. See, this tomato sauce gives a really nice color and also the taste of tomato sauces. And adding some salt and water and adjusting the consistency of the gravy. Let it boil. In the meanwhile, see how the baby corns have grilled. Just check out the color of these baby corns. It's really very attractive, right? So we will drop in these grilled baby corns into the gravy. See, the gravy is boiling here. I'm dropping in these baby corns in this, and then let these gravy coat all over the baby corn. Mix it well. Let it boil well for a couple of minutes. You can cover it and cook it for a couple of minutes if you want. Can you see the color has changed? So once this is done, switch off the flame and let's start plating. Plating you can do the way you want. In this I've added some more peanut sauce, and you can have it because some of them might like that peanut sauce crunchy taste and some might not. And next plating, I have just removed these baby corns from the sauce and plating this here. So we will have this just with some tomato sauce. Can you see the color, the coating of the sauce? So baby corn satay grilled version from me is ready.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.